It is now currently 1:32. Emmet, Remedy, Okage, Crispy, Triple J. As you can see, 17 minutes ago. My teammate, Nacreous Clouds, was IP flooded and he took pictures of his router logs showing that the opposing team IP flooded. As you can see, 132. We were IP flooded about 17 minutes ago also, 18 minutes ago. And now, as soon as I asked to cancel, or I asked that I was going to dispute, he was telling me to cancel because I'd say this due to the reason that they are IP flooding. But so far, we have proof that the opposing team that we just joined was IP flooding due to the router logs that we have.